Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Corkor Card Sleeve. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Corkor Card Sleeve or Minimalist card wallet. And just taking a look around the plain box packaging and on the underside as well. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart a clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed. And let's lift up the box lid and take a direct look inside of the box. So you can see the Corkor Card Sleeve. Let's lift it out from the box and set it on the tabletop along with the other contents. Let's tip them out of the box and of course making sure nothing else is left inside of it. We can set the box to the side, so I'm just going to set it on the left hand side of the table while laying the contents across the tabletop. So right there are the contents from the Corkor Card Sleeves box packaging. Let's start off by taking a look at this large card, and on the reverse side we can see a thank you as well as a 10% discount code. So I'm just going to set that thank you card with the discount code on the right hand side of the table, and moving right along there is another card here, and this time there is some print to indicate that this card sleeve is PETA-approved vegan. So it is handmade in Portugal and is made out of Cork. So setting that to the side, and of course we have the Corkor Card Sleeve itself, and we can see that there is a paper band around it with one of a kind and a heart printed on it. So just sliding that sleeve off and setting it to the side and giving you a look at the Corkor Card Sleeve in the the Corkor Card Sleeve in the zebra design. So you can see that it does have a zebra style texture or print. And giving you a look at the upright position of the Corkor Card Sleeve and top down. And of course the bottom as well. It's right there. Try to get the camcorder to focus on the bottom. And you can see the front does have the Corkor branding embossed into it, or debossed, I beg your pardon, or stamped into the front panel of this card sleeve. So giving you a look at the card sleeve on its own on the tabletop, and at the back side of the card sleeve. And to give you some sense of the size of the card sleeve, resting it in my palm and of course holding it as well. So the card sleeve measures 100 millimeters tall or deep, 73 millimeters wide, and 5 millimeters thick. So 10 centimeters by 7.3 centimeters by half a centimeter. So let's slide out appears to be another card inside of the card sleeve, and it's just a representation of a credit card. And of course it is much thinner than one, but size wise it should be rather similar. So right there is some information about making the right choice in choosing this Corkor PETA animal friendly certified vegan wallet or card sleeve. So just going to set that to the side and taking a much closer in look at the details of this Corkor card sleeve in the zebra design. Right there you have a better look or idea of the thickness, being 5mm or half a centimeter. And on the back side you can see that there is a pull tab at the rear of this card sleeve, and once again we see another insert inside of it. Okay, I'm just going to set that down as well, and you can see the pull tab and its overall design right there. So it does extend pretty far, and it works by lifting the cards out from the main or middle compartment of the card sleeve. So right there giving you a look at the overall details of this Corkor card sleeve or minimalist card wallet or card holder. So right there giving you a look at the overall details at the back and of the pull tab for this Corkor card sleeve. And of course once we put cards in there it will slide right back into position. And of course there is the front quick access pocket as well, you can see, with a slanted cut. Alright, now let's test the Corkor card sleeve out by putting some cards in it. And by the way, the card sleeve weighs 15 grams in weight, so rather light. So over here I have 4 plastic cards and giving you a sense of their thickness, so pretty much representing credit or debit bank cards. And let's pop them into this Corkor card sleeve. And we can see once we push that in, that pull tab does home or retract back into position at the back of the card sleeve, and giving you a look at the overall details right there with a single thick plastic card inserted into the card sleeve. And of course there is that front pocket as well, so let's insert a card into that front pocket so you have a sense of the fitment of a card in that front compartment, pushed in all the way. And in the middle or main compartment as well, pushed in all the way and giving you a look at that overall fitment of the two cards. So the main compartment can fit up to 10 cards. So let's insert 2 more cards into that middle or main compartment and giving you a look right there as to their fitment. And let's pop the cards out by pulling on that pull tab, and you can see lifting out all 3 cards from the main compartment. Let's do that again, pushing the cards in. You can see the pull tab going back in position right there, and let's pull that tab again, and right there with the maximum extension, lifting the cards from the middle section out. Alright, so let's reinsert the cards to just give you one more look, and of course let's move the cards into the front pocket. So just going to take 2 cards from there, pushing that single card and insert the other 2 together with that front card. So you can see right there 3 cards in that front pocket for quick access. Push fully in so you can see the overall fitment once again. And lifting the cards out very easily. And just going to insert that single card to give you once again an idea of that fitment. And also worth showing you the overall material, which is cork, of this card. Just how soft and mostly smooth, with some slightly coarse texturing, of course, with the natural striations and formations of the natural fibrous material. But there you can see soft and there appears to be a label inside, so giving you a look at that label with the made in Portugal details. And of course you can see on the reverse side the Corkor branding on that same label. So that's the Corkor Card Sleeve. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!